lungs nito. Kasi
Watch this, Christian Luanzon and Destacamento taking off. And after that great lead pass, right on the money on the pass, and the jam galing kay King Destacamento. Takbo ang Sarangani. Diputado, binigay kay Destacamento for the finish. Ito ni Coach John Calios. Destacamento. Anthony Roque for 3. That's his second 3.
hirapan niya, beating the press and using the shot fake to score. Ito naman, touch passing Sarangani. Diputado once again to his cinco buddy na si Destacamento.
Floor.
Tinamaan sa muka. 5-on-3, 4-on-3.
Destacamento, the kick out. Sual, yes sir! Already extending on Sual. Puts the ball on the deck. Step back 3. Nope. Madayag quickly to Alves. Out to Gaa. Madayag, 3-pointer. Too strong. Destacamento.
Ganda nung cut.
And Madayag lays it in for 2. Okay.
Pinapawisan ba to? Napapagod ba man lang to? Ito si Madayag.
Nice tap there from Alves. Destacamento to Gaa. Leaves it to King. King, the finger roll.
Natin, no? Yung ine-expect lang natin, yung puso na makita sa dalawang kupunan. So far, hindi pa tayo pinapahiya ng dalawang kupunan.
We're getting that, and at the heart, no, nitong run, nitong Sarangani, ever since the start of the third quarter, and there he is, finishing sa fast break. Kanina, dalawa sila ni Madayag kaninang nagpa-pressure eh.
Right, kasi ngayon lang pinasok yan dito sa third quarter. Did not play at all. What a pass!
Ay! Yes! Would have been another dunk. Kung hindi niya nabitawan ng bola.
Oh.
Right there. 4 white shirts, and si Kawamura pa nakuha ng offensive rebound as we take a look at this special delivery again. Galing kay Madayag para kay Destacamento. And watch this King Destacamento dunk. Alay niya yan para sa ating lucky fan of the game, brought to you by Buenas.
Masabi ko ano nangyari. Yan lang yun.
Madaya got the step. What a pass to Destacamento.
It feels...
Watch this play of the game brought to you by Buenas. Turning on the afterburners right there. Parang may nitro to si Madayag.
Tama ka dyan, no? Pero napag-usapan din natin if you're the defensive...
Well, King Destacamento working on a triple-double here.
Right, 1 assist away from it.
13 points, 10 rebounds, 9 assists, and 4 blocks. Sual gives it up to Destacamento. King finds Alves, and that's the triple-double right there. 8 straight defeats to start the season para sa Agimat. For Sarangani, they pick up their second win with King Destacamento. Our player of the game brought to you by Buenas. A triple-double, the first of his career. The best game so far of his MPBL career, highlighting that performance with that dunk.
And the first of a few, I would say, in 6 seasons. I don't think we have a lot of players in totality that has accomplished a triple-double.
Yeah.
You know, out of the many players we have, 30 teams, di ba? Multiply by 15
Well,
in 6 seasons. Sigurado ako kahit paano bilang yun.
Yeah, we had a quadruple-double courtesy of Kit Jimenez
Kit Jimenez,
sa Sarangani
right.
din. The final scores brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL, the first and original online basketball ending sa Pinas.